LDAP Monitoring in Pandora FMS. Welcome to Pandora FMS channel. In this video, we will tell you how to monitor LDAP in your environment. First, go to Pandora FMS library. Once there, search for the plugin you want. Before continuing, we should point out that there are two types of plugins, either server or agent, and they can also be open or only for Pandora FMS Enterprise version, which will be identified by this logo. To find out how server and agent plugins are configured, go check out our specific videos talking about that on our channel. Once these are clear, we will proceed to download the plugin to monitor LDAP. You may find different types of plugins that will adjust to obtain certain information that we can see in the description. In this case, for example, we will use OpenLDAP, with which we can verify whether an entry is present in an LDAP directory or verify through this method whether the server is running or not. For most plugins, you will find the script itself in their appropriate format and a PDF with a guide that will indicate the steps to use it, also pointing out whether it is a server or agent plugin. By opening the admin PDF that we see in the image, you can see the data we just talked about. So you see a description of the metrics to be obtained, the requirements that the computer and the plugin must meet, the systems it has been tested on, the description, what it tells you, in this case that it is a server plugin and other data, and finally the way to install it and the monitoring. Adding an execution example at the end in case you want to use it as an agent plugin. Once these data have been checked and with everything necessary in your systems, go to the console where you will go to the menu, Servers, Register Plugin. Upload your compressed file PSPZ, which will be hosted in the path var www html Pandora console attachment plugin, as we see on screen. To use it, go to the agent whose monitoring you wish to see, and in the menu Create Modules, choose the option to create a server plugin. Once you get to the next screen, select the corresponding plugin in the drop-down and fill in the fields that appear. The IP of the destination server with OpenLDAP to be checked, the name of the user with read permissions to access, and its password. And finally, in the plugin parameters box, you will have to add data such as the LDAP port, which is 389 by default. You will only have to specify it if it's different from that one. And the -- base parameter, essential for the plugin to work. There indicate the base of the tree you want to perform the search on. For example, dc equal Pandora FMS, dc equal com. To finish off, indicate a name to the module and click on Create. After the interval, a module will be created with different entries to see whether they are present in the LDAP directory or not. In turn, through this method, you can check whether the service is running or, on the contrary, it gives back an error message. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you can contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you in future tutorials. Bye!